Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making onion fig jam. And it's like, wow, I'm a baker. What am I doing making onion fig jam? Well, it's a great accompaniment to many things. It's a fabulous sandwich spread. It's wonderful in a charcuterie platter, and it goes great with cheese and crackers. And it would be wonderful with my Parmesan pesto pastry twist made with my really fast puff pastry in a hurry. So you can actually use this on a lot of different things, even as a filling for a savory pie. So in this saucepan, I have 1/4 cup of olive oil, sauteing with 1 large red onion, about 2 cups worth thinly sliced, and a 1/2 leek, also thinly sliced. And be sure to clean those leeks because they can be dirty with a little bit of dirt in them. And you're going to saute it on not too high a heat, and you're going to saute it until they caramelize. And this will take about 10 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of black mission figs, and they look really dark. They are dry. So you do want to make sure you don't use fresh figs. Fresh figs are fabulous, but not in jam, because we're going to jam them up. And these are going to soften beautifully. We're going to add a little balsamic to this, and we're going to add some dark brown sugar to get some caramelization and just a little bit of caramelized flavor. And we're going to let it cool down. We're going to have a great jam. And we're going to be jamming with a jam. So I'm just going to be reducing these and caramelizing these for a little bit. All right, as you can see, my caramelized onion and my caramelized leeks look lovely and soft, and they have yielded to our lovely heat. And now I'm going to add my figs, my 2 cups of black mission figs, and I'm going to let this cook until they soften. This should take another 10 to 15 minutes before we add our balsamic and our brown sugar. Look how lovely this looks. Everything is jamming together. My figs are softening beautifully. I can actually mash them with the spoon. And now it is time to add our magical caramelization ingredients, our 1/4 cup of high quality balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. But I also added a little water if it got a little dry, and it did. So I added up to 1/3 cup of water. So here's my 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar and my 1/4 cup of balsamic. And you're just going to keep this in here until the balsamic evaporates and the sugar is beautiful and melted down. And you're going to let this cool, and you got yourself lovely jam. Look at my onion fig jam. It is gorgeous, and it's really hot, but I cannot wait to dig in and put it on a slice of manchego cheese on a cracker. Yum. So what you're going to do is you want this to cool down. So what I like to do is either, if I want to really, really super push it, I will put it into another bowl of icy water to cool it down quickly. Otherwise, just like let nature take its course and let it cool down. I'd store it in the refrigerator and serve it room temperature or cold, up to you, and put it in anything you want. Yum. I hope you become a subscriber. I hope you make this yummy fig jam. And till next time.